In this video, I am going to review the 6-month performance of Potensic Atom SE. For the sake of this review video, I unboxed it and captured different moments during the previous 6 months. And after watching this video, you can check its price by visiting link in the description below. This video includes its unboxing, flight performance, footage review, camera resolution, cinematic view. For each of these features, you have to watch till the end. Guys, look at its design. You can handle it comfortably. I love its controller, which is designed for comfortable handling, featuring responsive joysticks and a convenient smartphone holder for easy real-time video monitoring. The Potensic Atom SE impresses with its flight test performance, showcasing stability and precision that belie its budget-friendly price. With a 250-gram weight, this drone is agile and responsive, making it ideal for capturing smooth footage. Its GPS-assisted flight and advanced brushless motors ensure reliable positioning and steady control, even in gusty conditions. Notably, the drone offers up to 31 minutes of flight time per charge. The Potensic Atom SE is a remarkable drone, particularly notable for its impressive camera capabilities, which capture stunning footage that elevates aerial photography and videography to a new level. With its 4K UHD camera, the Potensic Atom SE offers an exceptional resolution that brings every detail to life, making it an ideal choice for both professional and beginners. The 12MP camera sensor ensures sharp, clear, and vibrant photos, capturing everything from vast landscapes to intricate close-ups with remarkable precision. This high resolution is particularly beneficial for those who want to create immersive cinematic videos, as it enables capturing even the most subtle details in every shot. The Potensic Atom SE's camera excels in various lighting conditions, maintaining clarity and detail even in low light, which is crucial for achieving that perfect cinematic view. One of the standout features of the Potensic Atom SE is its ability to deliver smooth cinematic footage. The drone's advanced stabilization technology ensures that video capture remains steady and fluid, even in the windy conditions or during complex maneuvers. This stability is key to producing professional quality videos that look polished and refined. The drone's 3-axis gimbal plays a vital role in this, providing consistent and reliable stabilization across all 3 axes, which minimizes blurring, shaking, and as a result, the footage looks as though it was shot with high-end professional equipment, which is an incredible achievement for drone in this price range. Moreover, the Potensic Atom SE is equipped with intelligent flight modes that enhance its cinematic capabilities. Features like Follow Me, Orbit Mode, and Waypoint Flying allow users to capture dynamic and engaging footage effortlessly. In Follow Me mode, the drone can autonomously follow a subject, maintaining a consistent distance and angle perfect for capturing action shots without needing manual control. Orbit mode lets the drone circle a particular point of interest, providing a dramatic sweeping perspective that adds a cinematic flair to any video. Waypoint flying enables the drone to follow a preset path, allowing for precise choreographed movements that are essential for planned shots and complex filming scenarios. The drone's user-friendly controls and intuitive interface make it easy for users of all skill levels to capture high-quality footage. The Potensic Atom SE's companion app provides a seamless connection to the drone, offering real-time video transmission that helps users frame their shots perfectly. The app's interface is designed to be simple and accessible, allowing even beginners to quickly get to grips with the various settings and flight modes. This ease of use does not come at the expense of functionality, as the app also provides a range of advanced options for those looking to fine-tune their camera settings or flight patterns.